Hello everyone, Man of Revit with you and a new Revit tutorial. Please like this video if you do and share it to your friends and subscribe because I will make more and more videos every day or every 2 days from zero to hero level for free. And let's start. I will talk about walls. If I go to architecture tab, I will find walls. The first comment here and I just click the drop menu. I will find wall architecture and structure and wall by face. Wall structure is just a structural element, so I will not use it in this tutorial. And wall by face, it's about massing. I can create any mass and then I can select the mass or the side of the mass I want to create the face on it, and just I will create a face on it. And it doesn't matter also in this tutorial. I will talk about this one wall architecture. So I click on it and I will start to draw. I will find these options. It's just sketch mode. I can draw line or rectangle or polygon or circle or any other shape. I can also pick lines. If I have lines for AutoCAD, I can just click on it and it will create automatically the wall. So I will start with lines. Here I will find options for my wall, and here I will find the properties of the walls. This properties panel, I can select from the selector type the type that I want to use. Here is the default of the Revit is the generic 200 millimeters, and this is the name of it, and it's also 200 millimeter. Also, I set the units to meter. If I just click escape and just type UN, I will find the units in meter. But the world here is the 200 millimeter. I can select the wall I want. If I choose something like that and I start to draw, I'm now in line and I just click once and go horizontally. I will find this dashed line. That means that I'm perfect horizontally, and I just click again. I will find the dimensions. I can set it by my eyes, or I can type on keyboard 15 and click enter. It will uh, draw the wall. And now the Revit with me to create another wall. That's because this option is checked. That means chain. That means it will create walls, then it will create another walls as a chain. If I uncheck it, I will draw walls and Revit will exit from the order. But I prefer to make it checked. And when I want to go out from the order, I can click on modify or just scale from my keyboard. So I click on modify, so I go out from the order. I can select it and delete it. Select and delete it if I want to delete that element. I will delete it also, and I will use a command called trim. First, on your Revit, you will find on modify tab is the last one on your tabs, you will find this panel called modify. Just drag it and bring it out on the screen like so on the workspace, because I use it a lot of times on my project, so I don't have to go to modify tab every minute to choose one of these options. So I prefer to bring it again. If you want to this panel to go back, just click here, return panels to ribbon, but I prefer to bring it like so. Then I can go to any tabs and it will be here. I will find here options called trim extent to corner. If I click on it, I can just click choose this walls, and when I just go to highlight this wall, it will tell you what will happen. It just will connect to these walls together. If I just click here and just go here, it will tell you what will happen. If I just come here from this side of the wall, you can imagine what will happen. But I don't want, I just click modify. Now I see the wall consists of two lines, just two lines, line here and line here, all through it. That's because I am in detail lines is curves. That means it's no, there is no any details. But if I go to find, I can see the layers of the wall. I can turn it also to realistic to see it by materials. So this wall have a brick, have air, have concrete, maybe it's isolation or wood or something like that. So I can know the layers and the properties of the walls. What if I want to change one wall by another type of walls? Just click on it, open the type selector, and choose what you want. This is a generic foundation one, so you will just find it one material like so. You can select it again and go to the one you want. I can control Z or just click undo to bring the wall, the last wall again. If I select on one wall, I will find this temporary dimensions. That means I can change it again. If I click here, I can make it 12, and I select it again, I can make it 8. It go back to here because this the wall I selected is the removable, is the movable, not removable, uh, is the movable wall. Sorry about my accent. So it moves depend on the dimensions from the walls. This is a fixed walls, and I change these walls. This wall, okay. I can do it just graphically like so, and This also now I move it so I can do it like so. Here is also. Here, if I select the wall, I can find this arrow. This arrow means that I can flip the wall from this if I said that is the interior side and this is the exterior side, I can flip it. You can find it's flipped. This concrete is interior and now it's in exterior. I can flip it again, flip it. But when I flip it, the rivet matching the layers with the walls. The rivet now has uh, uh, know that you will that you want to continue this layers together because Revit know that it's concrete and it's concrete, so it will be connected together. I will go back to the normal uh, one. I think it's pretty much for this tutorial. I hope it would be helpful for you. Take care. Bye bye.